One of the most important philosophers, Plato's cornerstone of thought, is that knowledge is common and independent of the observer's perspective. The purpose of science is the formation of new knowledge through a critical and self-correcting method. New realizations, new thought, new ideas. It is the path of knowledge. Cosmic evolution. It began 15 billion years ago. What these 15 gigayears mean, the human mind can hardly comprehend. Our planet's birth is part of this cosmic journey through time, known by another name, progress. Humanity steps into the timeline of the universe only recently, almost now. Each of us carries with us the memory of biological evolution, but how the first DNA molecule was born containing our very genetic code is still a mystery to science. The coast of northern Finland was the Riviera of the Stone Age. Here the seal millionaires, playboy furriers and businessmen of the age lived and prospered long before Plato presented his philosophy. It can be said that the Oulu region has had a flourishing civilization ever since the Stone Age. As the city of Oulu reached the age of 400, people around the world began to wonder what was happening there. Among the oldest metropolises of the world, the developing Oulu was still young. When the so-called Oulu phenomenon was first mentioned, it spread rapidly, even to the Far East, and many came from afar to Oulu to learn. Something had happened that no one could have ever guessed. It began in Oulu. Suddenly, Oulu became one of the most globally important centers for wireless communications technology. The city of Oulu boldly invested in what it believed in, and the results can be seen today throughout Oulu and indeed the whole of Finland. But what about the University of Oulu? What was its role? What is its mission today? Why are there every year tens of new inventions, innovations, and new companies based on the very latest research? Science research is always at the core of a university, and cutting-edge research is conducted at the University of Oulu. Most often, combining different sciences, we talk about the multidisciplinary. The university has significantly been a force in how Oulu has developed. Wanna join me? It is the local way to get acquainted. Approaching them is easy. The University of Oulu has exceptionally tight cooperation with the region's players. When a person works according to their own values, the work environment improves and a person can better fulfill themselves. Good communication, openness and respect are the cornerstones of our success. We invest in our students and staff so that they can do their best in their own work and in the scientific community. Taking initiative and new ways of thinking are our guidelines. We seek new methods bravely and without preconceptions. We strive to be at the forefront of progress. We represent new expertise, working in cooperation with other universities, educational and service sectors in addition to the business sector. Our basic functions are research, learning and societal interaction. Who needs science? Who needs science? Who needs science? We all need science and technology to survive in our everyday existence. The University of Oulu was far-sighted and chose information technology as one of its central research areas. We aim to be at the forefront when speaking about wireless communications, mobile applications, electronics, photonics, nanotechnology, machine vision, intelligent systems, ubiquitous computing, and wellness technology. Our achievements have not only been rhetoric. Remember a time when the mobile age had not been invented, but everyone wanted their own personal radio transceiver, the first genuine model, the innovation of its time. We were there creating it. Methods for communication develop quickly, and telecommunications is moving increasingly towards wireless and ever greater data transfer. We study the future in telecommunications. You have heard of intelligent services. We are seeing how different devices can communicate with each other and produce new services for the user. The study of electronics focuses also on micro and nanotechnology, in which phenomena and materials are studied and utilized at a millionth of a millimeter. With nanotechnology, it is possible to build ever smaller, cheaper and better devices, not to mention new products for biotechnology. We also study how to measure heart rate and blood pressure wirelessly. The fermentation of wine is one of the oldest applications of biotechnology, and there it remained for a very long time. A few thousand years later, here in Oulu, we have become acquainted with the subject more deeply, and not just by tasting wine. The Oulu University Medical Faculty and Biocentre of Oulu, as well as the Oulu University Hospital and Medipolis, form a high-grade medical and biotechnology research environment. Important biotechnology research is also conducted in natural sciences and the field of technology. The strengths of our areas of research are molecule genetics, molecule and cellular biology, development biology, bioprocess technology, the central basic biological and medical areas in connective tissue and cardiovascular illnesses. The University of Oulu is the North's research centre for global change and the leading European player in the northern scientific community. Multidisciplinary research and new technology allow us to discover changes in the environment as well as to develop new methods for sustainable development of northern nature and natural resources. Through research, we seek new solutions to lessen industrial pollution, recycle and utilize waste, and to clean communal drinking and sewage water. The University of Oulu specializes in researching the effects that changes in northern climate and in the environment have on plants and animals. We also study human health and well-being as well as adaptation to northern climate. Those who have graduated from the university are professionals and scientists skilled in new knowledge, able to apply it. Students graduate quickly and find employment easily. From the University of Oulu, a significant number graduate as Finland's telecommunication and information engineers, steel and paper industry engineers, as well as architects, teachers and doctors. All those who thirst for knowledge are welcome. The Open University offers the possibility for higher learning irrespective of age and educational background. Everyone is welcome from near and far. A network of cooperation and collaboration enable us to prosper. The University of Oulu is an excellent way to progress along the path of knowledge, to be innovative and courageous for science's greatest passion, its highest aspiration, to go beyond that which is already known. It is our path, the path of knowledge.